So Loopy means to fold clothes, right? Let's say when you're done with laundry or putting clothes away, Loopy, to fold clothes or to fold things away. It's not just clothes, but you can fold like sheets and towels, whatever, right? Loopy, to fold. Saway is to criticize badly. Like you're gonna talk bad about something, criticize about something, right? Talk ill or talk bad or just criticize about other stuff when you don't even know much. So criticize or criticism, right? Saway. Um, Hungao is to vent or let air leak out of something's like to vent something out, right? Vent or to let the air leak out of something. Suhi is to be born in breech position, right? In the breech delivery. Suhi. And that's like the feet out first. Now this one, you can either say nahibulong or nahibudngan. Okay, nahibulong or nahibudngan. Hibudngan. And this is to be perplexed or confused. You're just baffled at something. You're wondering why something happened. Like, oh, you were kind of shocked and surprised or perplexed, baffled as to why you lost the election, why she chose the wrong person, stuff like that, right? You were just kind of startled and not startled, but like shocked and surprised in a way. Tarong means to be just and proper, very fitting for a situation. You're just well behaved, well mannered, and you're just well suited for the situation, right? Fitting for a situation. You're well mannered. It's just and proper, right? And it's just suited for the situation. It suits the situation, or whatever suits the situation. Sad-an, from the root word sala, right, to be at fault, is meaning to be guilty of doing something. Pamutbot is bakak, right? That's how we get butbuton, which is bakakon. Um, Panagkatigom is tapok, and pagigpulong is a speech or an oration from the root word pulong, meaning word. So pakigpulong is a speech. Gikuptan is to be bustling or busy, right? You're just acting everywhere, just busy and acting everywhere. You're active. Kupot, right? From the root word kupot, which means intense activity, which is the adjective, but the verb is to hold on to something, to hold it, like to hold something. Okay, kupot, that's the verb. And finally, we have tungang gabi, which is kagabhion. Okay, so tungang gabi is midnight, but you can also refer to it as kagabi. Oh my gosh, kagabhion. So kagabhion is like late at night, maybe at like midnight, 1, 2 in the morning, right? Kagabhion is tungang gabi. So just kind of words that can help you again.